Question number 6. Lynn and Han's families provide money for their school lunch accounts. Hans starts with $100 in his account. He spends $15 each week on lunches. Lynn starts with $25 in her account and does not spend any of it. Her family adds $10 each week to her account. At the end of 4 weeks, who has more money in their account? We are going to start with Han. Han had $100 in his account and he spends, so we're going to subtract the 15 times that 4 weeks. And we end up getting 100 minus 60, which equals $40 left in Han's account. And Lynn started with $25 in her account, and she does not spend any of it. So unlike spending like Han, she kept the money in her account, and so it keeps growing. We're going to add $10 each week, so 10 plus the 10 times 4. And we end up getting 25 plus 40, which equals 65. So actually, Lynn has more money in her account at the end of 4 weeks. And you will write a sentence for that. Lynn has more money in her account after 4 weeks. Can even add because she has $65 and Han only has $40. Part B. After how many weeks will Han and Lynn have the same amount of money in their lunch accounts? We are now going to set the two expressions equal to each other. Now, normally we don't know the number of weeks, right? And it's asking you how many weeks. So for Han's expression, we're going to write 100 minus 15W. And we're really going to set this equal to, because it says have the same amount of money, to Lynn's expression, which is 25 plus 10W. Now, we're going to use our knowledge of combining like terms and isolating variables to solve for W. We are going to first add 15W to both sides. You can also subtract the 10W on both sides, but I like to keep the variable term positive, so I decided to add 15W to both sides. Now I have 100 left on the left side, and I have 25 plus 25W on the right side. Next, we are going to subtract 25 on both sides. And we are left with 75 is equal to 25W. And when we divide both sides by 25, to get rid of the 25 in front of the W, our coefficient, we're going to get W is equal to 3. And you always want to write a full sentence. So after 3 weeks, Han and Lynn will have the same amount of money in their lunch accounts.